All right, this is my last tree, and this is the tree that usually goes, that is supposed to go over the high ledge. Y'all, I'm just overwhelmed with the amount of stuff, because clutter is not my thing, and this is a lot of clutter. But I have like a whole pile of these that I like to stick in the tree that I got from Hobby Lobby to kind of make it a little bit more fluffier. But I did want to use these picks instead of like the garland to decorate like around the doorpost. I just feel like you get more. I feel like with the garlands, you still have to go in and stick these in the garland, if that makes sense. So I don't know, I might still go back and get the garland just so I can have like one dedicated thing attached to the wall rather than several. But yeah, so that's what this looks like. That is all the garland for 2 trees, and then I also have garland right there and right there, or picks, excuse me. And then I've got like 1, 2, 3, 4 different versions. Some realistic purging needs to happen, okay? But I know me, if I get rid of it, I'm gonna be upset. I'm gonna be highly livid when I get ready to go and decorate. So I have this ribbon that I made to go on the tree. This tree last year, I'll insert a picture, but it was white. I don't know if I'm gonna go with the white tree again. If I do, I do. If I don't, you'll see. It depends on what's on sale. For the bottom of my tree, I used this fabric that I got years ago from Joann's. Yes. Yeah. And I just draped this at the bottom of the tree instead of going to go look for a little cover. I like that better because it matches the theme of the tree a lot better. So I've got these little bulbs, ornaments, not bulbs, Shannon, that I got from Dollar Tree some years ago. And I use these to stick in the tree. I also picked up, most of this stuff is from Michael's, by the way. Oh, I lied. Girl, I don't feel like picking this shit up. I mean, stuff up. I've got some of these little bushellberry picks to go on this particular tree. I also picked up these cute little picks. It's a very lumberjack-esque tree. I love it. With the buffalo check. I love this tree. And then I also picked up some antlers, which is actually my topper. These are my toppers to the tree. And then I also have these cute little Santa Claus ribbons that I made and I put on the tree. And then I've got 2 different types of owls. I have these owls that I am so in love with. And then I also have this owl, that's just the Lone Ranger, but he's so cute. Look at that face. Look at that face. And then I picked up a lot of these unbeknownst to myself. Yeah, unbeknownst to me, I did not know that I picked up these picks with a bird on it. But I also have these cardinal picks, and I only picked up 2 because I really just wanted the feel of it. I didn't want like a whole look, if that makes sense. And then I also have these cute little buffalo check bears with their little vest on. I mean, come on. And my battery's dying. Good thing. That's pretty much everything, actually. Yeah. That's everything. Yeah. This was a long morning. Oh God. I gotta get my life together, but homebodies, I will see you guys in my next video. Thanks so much for supporting. I love you guys, and thanks for weathering it through with me on these extended videos.